Greetings, fellow precious metal fans. It's Ron back again to deliver another edition of the Gold and Silver Update. Still coming your way thanks to our friends at Goldco. Now, today we're peering through the looking glass at the rising tension in the Middle East and what the growing risk could mean for the overall economy, and more specifically, how it could affect your retirement accounts. Now, as you may know, the war between Israel and Hamas has escalated over the past few weeks. Israel has pummeled Gaza with airstrikes, while Hamas has launched rockets into Israel. Sadly, hundreds have perished. But where there's smoke, there's often fire when it comes to conflict in the Middle East. The U.S. has already deployed naval carrier groups and Marines to the Mediterranean in a show of force. In fact, attacks have occurred on U.S. ships and bases in the region as tensions escalate. Seems this could have all the ingredients for a wider devastation if cooler heads don't prevail soon. But is that likely to happen? Or will things get worse before they get better? Because some experts believe all it would take is Iran or Hezbollah opening new fronts against Israel to draw the US further into the mix. So while yes, this is a terrible situation, how could this situation possibly impact your retirement savings? Well, let's take a look. If oil production or transit through the Middle East gets interrupted, we could easily see a surge in crude oil prices. Remember $4 a gallon gas? And it's possible we could head even higher than that. Because in the event of an uncontained scenario involving direct conflict between Israel and Iran, oil prices could reach $150 per barrel in late 2023, according to the chief economist from Ernst & Young. And this is bad because higher oil prices drive inflation up, which for anyone on a fixed income can feel like the walls are closing in as rising prices erode the purchasing power of your retirement dollars. But will gold and silver make further gains because of this conflict? Now, gold has already risen in value since the start of this war, with some experts calling it a safe haven during this time of crisis. But should you make a jump to a safe haven, such as gold? Let us know in the comments below and tell us what you think about all of this. Because on top of all of that, the VIX index, which is also known as the stock market's fear gauge and is a measurement of stock market volatility, could possibly jump by at least 18 points. And to make matters worse, stocks could potentially fall as much as 20%. So as I hinted towards earlier, this is not an ideal scenario. Now for the ultimate question, what are you going to do? Now, anyone might tell you panic selling is never wise, but being prepared is smart. And if you don't want to see a potential 20% hit to your retirement savings, well, then you'll want to act soon. But I want to know what you think. Will you be preparing yourself financially from a global conflict? Do you have any friends or family who already are? Let us know about that in the comments below. We want to know what you think and what you're thinking about this and if you're taking any action at all. If you enjoyed today's episode, do me a favor. Give us some love with a thumbs up and a click on that subscribe button. And that brings us to the end of another enlightening episode, my friend. I hope you learned something new today that will help you on your journey. But before we part ways, I want you to check out the trusted precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco has helped countless individuals just like you diversify their hard-earned savings with physical gold and silver. Their 5-star customer reviews really speak for themselves. Goldco regularly works hand in hand with private mints to source legitimate precious metal coins and bars for their customers. Their team's trusted specialists will help you every step of the way through the process of diversifying your portfolio with gold and silver. Especially with ongoing economic uncertainty and geopolitical chaos, now is the ideal time to request Goldco's free 2024 Gold IRA Kit. Inside this detailed kit, you'll discover all the benefits of adding precious metals to your retirement savings, even if it's still in an IRA or 401k. This comprehensive 36-page kit answers all your questions about getting started with precious metals, including how to get up to $10,000 in free silver with a qualified account. And it's yours today, absolutely free, when you click the link in the description below this video. Never stop expanding your mindset through learning and growth. Stay curious. Keep shining your inner light. And I look forward to connecting with you again very soon for our next episode. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and may fortunes favor you, my friend.